Hi there, Tony Maynard here from diehardforeducation.com, and I'm at the photo with for passive portfolio income. Sorry, and this is for the print-on-demand business, and which is a business you should be involved in because it's passive and by nature, and you're not involved with active income or earned income, which is where you've got to always be there. And 85% of people hate that. I know they do. Especially America. In America, there was a survey taken, and 85% hate their job. Well, God, well, I understand why that is, and that's it. That's all. This is Printful. This is it, Printful. This one, it's passive by nature, and but you've got to be committed to it. You've got to, do. There's a little bit of work, but not much. There's not a lot of work. It's not something that you have to do 12 hours a day for, which is what you do with your job, which is just means just on break, because that's what you remain all your life. And it's a fact. You're a slave. You're a prisoner. Might get 2 or 3 weeks off at the end of the year, because that's it, But even that is being attacked anyway. So the thing is, if you get into this, you can command your own life. You can, and free yourself from being a dog on a post, tied to a post. You can free yourself from this, from the slavery of earned income, which is pretty much crap. And who gets the advantage of that? Well, the government, the corporation or company that calls itself government. That's what it is. That's how this works. So, without further ado, let's get onto it. Because Printful is the place you want to be. They start you for free. Come on, they start you for free, and they train you as well. They want you to succeed so they can succeed, which is not stupid. You see, so get involved. Come on, earned income isn't the way to go. It isn't. I'm telling you that now, right? It isn't. It's no damn good. You know. You know. You don't want the four things happening to you. You just don't. You don't want to get sick. You don't want to get hurt, and you don't want to be. You get made redundant. And you get sacked. Any one of those four, and you lose your income, and that's it. That's with earned income. Your income stops. But with this, that's not the case. See, on print on demand? No, it's not the case. So let's go make some more logos, shall we? We'll make some more. We'll make a few more logos. Yeah, why not? So here we are. I'm using the PowerPoint platform here. This is PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint. So that's what I do. So, let's see what we got here. I had one video. Let's see what. Let's see. Well, what do we do? Uh, hmm. Oh, yeah, of course. Of course, yes, of course. So this kind of income is not the ideal, but oh, damn it. That was a mistake. Sorry about that. Uh, so this kind of income, right? It's not and the reason for that is because it's not regular. You know, you get, people say, oh man, that's not true. I got a mutual fund, oh this, I got stocks, and I get dividends. Yeah, but every you get a dividend every quarter, and you get a dividend every 6 months, or you might get a dividend every year. But you don't get a dividend every week or every month. No, 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 no. That's not the way that works. It just doesn't work that way. And the same with mutual funds. You don't get nothing. You put your money in and you wait a long time, and then the government takes a big wet bite out of your ass. Huh? Right? So portfolio income is not passive income. No, not that portfolio. These are the people that just invest in these things. And here's another one. And then they think stock being in the stock market is, oh, so it's pretty safe as long as you do the blue stocks and stuff, you know. Got news for you. This is the truth here too. Here's another truth for you. right? So there you go. Stocks, stock goes up. Oh, stocks go up. Correct that mistake. See? Stocks go up, down, or sideways. 2 out of 3 times you lose. Well, that's just 1-0. And that's the truth too, you see. So these people who think that they're secure and safe, and then recession hits, and something happens in the the Federal Reserve does some fancy bookkeeping, and it's in the old, and all of a sudden there's a squeeze on credit and all that sort of, which is what's going on now, right? Because the interest rates are going up, so all of a sudden the stock market takes a plummet, and then people lose money. The value of the stocks go down 20-25% or more, 30%, 40%. Sometimes higher, 50% and more. And all of a sudden these people who invested in that have lost their money. They've lost half the value of their money. You see, because why? Because stocks go up, stocks go down, and stocks go sideways. And that's what they do. And 2 out of 3 times you lose. So you see, I don't care about these. I don't, I see these people online all the time trying to sell you these, these courses on how to do the stock market. As far as I'm concerned, you want to do that one, this is what's going to happen. I mean, 2 out of 3 times you lose. And there's no way you're going to get anywhere else. Loss is what you're going to get. Loss. Okay? You lose. That's what happens. So you don't want to get involved with that, see? I don't have any stocks. No. I tried that game and that's what I found out, so I don't do that anymore. No. You'd be better off to buy a house and then rent it, as far as I'm concerned, as far as that goes. But then, that now has become, according to Warren Buffett, is a bad deal as well, and I agree with him. Because the houses are too dear. So it's a bad investment now. No good. What else have we got? Yeah, see, so, so there you go. Portfolio income is not passive income. Stocks go up, downside, and sideways. Yeah, see, so that's the truth there. Oh, yeah. As a result of that, right, as a result of what I've just said, this is the truth about portfolio income. And that's the last one. Portfolio income is not secure, and it isn't. You have this to get stocks go up and down, and you lose half your money and all that. And the same with when the corporation that calls itself government comes and takes its profits, and takes over 50%. Well, you lose. Portfolio, and it's not secure. No, it's not. It's not secure income, because you can lose half of it just like that. And that's what happens to people, right? Due to government and the corporation that calls itself government, and losses on the market, in the marketplace. See, is that the case with passive income? No. You see, there's a big difference here. Big difference. See, and that's the thing, right? I'm showing you what this is, a passive system, and I'm showing you. Printful is a passive system. It's a way, and you differentiate yourself in the marketplace, so you're unique because you come up with your sayings. And you test them, and you don't cry over the losers. You get rid of the losers, you keep testing, and then you start finding some winners, and people go for those, and then all of a sudden, what happens? You get enough, once you've got enough winners, guess what? It's pretty soon your earned income is replaced with your Printful business, which is passive, see, and is a much better and more stable income source. And you just keep doing the same thing, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. That's all you have to do. Okay, instead of being stupid, you know, and sticking with your. But don't give your job up. Don't keep it, and then just do this part time. Okay, cut out your TV and stuff, you know, and do this, you know. I mean, you only have to do do an hour or maybe such a day, you know. I mean, on just doing these sayings. That's all you got to do. It's not that difficult. But you've been told that it's difficult, but that's a lie, right? And I'll show you what I mean here. See, this girl's got a hoodie on, and she says, your design here. It's as simple as that. And the minute that you put your logo, your slogan, your saying there, that product becomes yours, and it becomes unique in the marketplace. And as a result of that, there's no competition, because that's your saying. It's covered by copyright. See, so that's how that is. That's how that works. Okay, and I'll show you something else too. There's something else that you need to know. There you go. There's my free account. See, that's my name, you know, and my next steps. See, so and there's, you know, and there's, you know, there's the best sellers there: t-shirts, caps, mugs, and a mat. See, so, and there's your challenges, Printful challenges you can do, and then you go to the shortcuts. These are the shortcuts here. You know, fashion guide to tell you what's selling. Printful Academy to train you on for traffic and anything else that's necessary. They do everything, I tell you, and product templates as well. But there's videos in here and articles, so, and tips and guides. So they've got everything here, just also so then you know, so then you can start a print on demand business, and it's because you are a beginner. They teach you everything, and that, because if you succeed, they succeed. That's just as simple as that. You know, it's really that basic, that simple. Okay, so, you know, I mean, get involved, get involved in it, because I mean, this is a passive system, which is what I'm passionate about. This and trying to get people off active income, because, man, they don't realise what the ramifications of that is. They think they're safe until the axe falls on them, and in which COVID-19 has shown that. And then they can't find trouble. They have trouble getting a job, and they're going into poverty, and their house gets repossessed, and all this kind of stuff. All the cars and all the stuff they've bought gets repossessed. Why do you want that worry? Why? You know, why are you following the corporation that call itself government's agenda, which, you know, where they benefit and they get the most profits from you on earned income? Why? Why do you do that? You see, because they said so? Well, stuff them, you know. Get into this, I'm selling you, and get some passive income, and get off their bollocks where they are advantaged and you're not. Right? That's the highest taxed earned income. You don't want to be involved in it. I call it active income as well. So if you like this video, smash the like button. If you you want to hear more, smash the notification bell and subscribe to the channel. Get involved, please, for goodness sake. Do yourself a favour and get off earned income, you know, as soon as you can. But keep your job and work this part-time. Work the Printful opportunity part-time, because that's what it is, because it's passive in nature, okay? And thank you for watching, and get involved, please. Do yourself a favour. Please get involved. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video, which I will be making on the next set of slogans, logos, and sayings.